how to fix TikTok not letting you message in TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok not letting you message. Let's dive right in the tutorial. First, open the TikTok app and log into your account. Now go to your profile and tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy under Account. Scroll to find Direct Messages under Interactions. There you can see the option of Allow Direct Messages from at the very top. Tap on it and a pop-up will appear. Change the option from No One to whatever you prefer, either Everyone, Suggested Friends or Friends, and now you can send messages or receive messages from the selected group of people on TikTok. And that's it. Now you can send and receive messages on TikTok. And if you like the content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more similar tech tips.